Show is sponsored by the Peoria Police Department, located at 1579 West Wilson Street. You can call them at 812-723-2836.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, December 3rd. Tri-High Y members, don't forget that this week is Jubilee Christmas. There are things to do after school every day, but you are needed after school Thursday and Wednesday, and again on Saturday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Those participating in the Velveteen Rabbit production need to check their emails and review the schedule. NJHS is sponsoring the Pie in the Face fundraiser to help senior Cale Kibler and his family as he recovers from surgery. Monday, money will be collected during lunch in the office, starting now until December 13th. Many teachers have added their name to the list of potential targets. Check out this video for more information.
Help raise money for teachers who you want to see get a pie in the face.
Bring your money into the office or during your lunch.
We will be collecting money November 26th to December 13th. All proceeds will go to Cal Kibler's family.
Don't forget to bring your money for pie in the face.
Me.
Twice.
Okay, your turn. Towards me.
Towards you.
Dang it. We went a third, too.
Drama Club's dance workshop will be Thursday, December 6th. That has changed from the original date. Wear comfortable clothes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Attention students, Mr. Stroud, Ms. Stout, and Ms. Matheny and NJHS students are offering extra credit for each session students attend to review about ISTEP. If a student brings a parent or guardian, they can receive extra credit points. ISTEP meetings will start next week, Monday 5 to 6 and Wednesday 3:15 to 4:15 in Mr. Stroud's room. If you have any questions, please contact your math teacher. And now to Colin with your Rams sports report.
Thank you, Audrey. On Friday, both the JV and varsity boys teams defeated Henryville at home and traveled to Lanesville on Saturday to bring home 2 more wins. On Saturday morning, the girls varsity team traveled to Henryville and also brought home 2 more wins. Tonight, the freshmen's boys team will travel to Orleans to face the Bulldogs, while junior high girls basketball team will be at home against the Salem Lions. Back to you, Audrey.
Your books are for sale for $35 in Miss Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Miss Nichols. High school student council members should have their chocolate fundraisers complete and money turned in before Christmas break. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, we got some slight chances of rain later in your day, and as we head through the week, we could be seeing some snow on Thursday. For your weather today, we have a high of 41 and a low of 31. Hanging through your week on Tuesday, a high of 37 and a low of 27, and on Wednesday, temperatures will start dropping with a high of 34 and a low of 28. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.